Big ears!
Big ears!
How are you?
Yeah, right.
How you going, Jamie?
Well, mate, I'm looking forward to this. Well, what would you like to do? We'll make a bit of a plan when we get to Goulburn.
I think we sort of know, right? We're just heading bush and see what we find. Do you know where we're going?
No, I don't.
We're headed to Lithgow this weekend. Tonight we're going to go up into a couple of, hopefully find one of the campgrounds that's up sort of where all the tracks are around the glowworm tunnel, power lines, all that sort of area. Ledbrook reckons he knows where there's a camp. I have my doubts. Let's go see. So we had to wing it last night. Camp is just up in the bush, up at that away. This is the view we woke up to essentially. Cameraman has to work hard. These other two probably up here sipping tea, lounging back in the morning. Trudging through this fucking shit. Yeah, what's taking you so long?
I went for a personal time down at the rock.
I won't bag you out for doing that, that's a good thing.
Lewis has just been orgasming over in the GoPro.
The new 7.
New 7.
Nobody's got excited about the Hero 7. It's an incredible bit of kit. I just feel like the internet's just quiet.
It actually makes his face look alright too, doesn't it?
It does. And
look,
nice and steady and smooth.
Where are we going? Big ears. Ledbrook.
Going to the glowworm tunnel. As soon as you hurry up, stop brushing your teeth while I have my chips.
It's like 8 in the morning.
You're being good, I'm being bad. It's already 7:30. I better get some more chips in here.
yours a 4 or 3?
2010, yeah.
Oh, yours is a little bit earlier.
Mine's
if
a
it
4.
says
Mine's
4.
the first 4, yeah. Yeah.
I painted a bit. Not enough that
It's a Freelander. The new one's bigger.
I don't like
Disco chat.
We're there. You're going to walk straight down there and there's the glowworm tunnel. We're going to go down here and we're going to go up that cross track. Then we're going to go bush and we're going to do, there's a canyon in there.
The Land Rover crowd are alright.
the Land Rover crowd.
So far, anyway, I've only met 2. You're one of them.
It was worth a trip.
The beast in his natural habitat. Happy place.
We've burnt nearly half a day and we're not even finished at the glowworm tunnel.
The first cab off the rank, I thought we'd be finished by 9. It's nearly 11:30.
Highly likely to 0-4 driving.
You eat all the chips, dude.
Do you want to get another,
Really?
Do you want another packet?
Man, you're out of control. I'm gonna have to get my fucking shoes off. Yeah, that was Jamie's fault.
What's the plan? Quick!
Yeah, because we'll be coming in.
Go, go, go! Oh, go, 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 go!
Yeah, steer the wheels.
There you go! There you go!
Wow.
Started to come in.
That was deep.
What do you reckon, Paulie? Whoops. Fuck, look at that. It's not supposed to be coming out there, is it?
What's next?
I reckon we should do range bob.
This tree. You good this side? You can see it? Yeah.
You have to winch up there.
Winch to that tree. You're gonna... Now you can straighten up. Oh, there's a car coming down. I'm gonna move my car. Crazy, eh? It's got lockers. Fuck.
Get forward, slow, real slow. Slow as you can. Hey, you're going to see me up here.